Okay, on the Model Y installation of the lights, we want to show you it's basically the same thing. If you're going to be installing this on a newer 2021 with a single casting rear end, you won't be able to pop this one out like we're going to show you we're going to do on a 2020 and an early 21. So anyway, we're going to install it the same basic way. We're going to drill it out right here. On the back side, they're slightly different. There's a sliding clasp and a clip. So this one goes in like this and locks in place. So there aren't two locks in the Model Y. And all we're going to do is drill out right there. So let me show you first of all, if you have a 2020, here's how you could remove the right side. And all you're going to do is push the tow hitch button in and pop it right out. So you want to push with two thumbs right about 1:30 or 2 o'clock, and then grab it, pull it out of the hole. And if you do take the tow hitch cover off, you can retrieve it if you push it in. Okay, now when you want to take this one off, just reach up inside, and you're just going to get one finger on each side. It comes right out. So you're just putting a little bit of pressure right on these, and then it comes out. It almost clears it as it is. So one more time, to release this side without the single casting rear end, you'll have no issues because the actual aluminum bumper is up here. Now on the other one, the new one, the bumper comes all the way down. It's much lower. All right, so now we're going to go and talk about running the wire up here. We'll show you how to run the fish line up. Okay, so now we're going to run the fish tape all the way up, and we're going to use the hole down here because we're going to have access to putting the wires through the middle hole. You'll see in a second. So we'll explain this as we go. It's only a little bit different and a lot simpler. But we're going to connect the fish line to the wire. We're going to run it down here, and then we're going to push the two wires through, connect it, and push it back in. So to hook up the red parachute clip to this, you got to squeeze it and get it through. And once you do that, slip knot it, pull it down. And now you have your, there we go, fish tape ready to go. So it'll fit through any size hole that'll fit this diameter. And now we're going to connect the wire. So remember what we said is we don't want to put them both through. And then you lasso it and slide it down gently to the bottom. I'll be doing the pulling and he'll be doing the pushing. And now just take it down in the hole. Yeah, make sure that's tight. All the way down. Okay, and once you get it all the way down, then you just want to put these wires through the connection area. Hey, can you just put it in for me? It's just one less step because you don't have to drill this hole out, make it any bigger. So if you pull them both through here, you don't have to open that hole up. But if you want to open it up, it's no problem. Okay, so let's put that on and show them how we install it real quick. I think we had this one right here, right? Okay, this is the driver's side, and an L for the left side of the vehicle, R for the right side. So we're just going to connect the pins. And we're going to turn the turn signal on to test it, make sure it works correctly. Blue and yellow to blue and yellow, and red and black to red and black. Feed them back through. And then again, remember this has a sliding clip and then a snapping clip.
That's why you need the hole.
Oh yeah, we got to go in separately, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so again, this is the stock reflector with the sliding clip. So what we did with our design is we put locking clips on the back. So you'll see this is going to lock right in place, and so is that one. These two tabs are going to bend inward slightly and lock on this rectangle, and this is going to lock on this. So we got to make sure the wires are in all the way. So you have to go straight in the hole too. So that's always a possibility why it might hang up. So we're gonna put these like this, and we're gonna push with some pressure. And now it's locked in. The wires are good, they're all the way through. Now we're gonna put the turn signal on and make sure. So just use a little bit of pressure. It flexes quite a bit. All right, so now we're plugged in and success. Works great. Now we're gonna close the hole up, get to the other side and show you the differences on this side. Okay, and to put the rear tow hook back in, this clip goes here and this goes under. It's really simple. So insert the collar or the leash in here. This is just in case you drop it or something, you won't lose it. And then that's gonna go up there and lock in, and this is gonna go underneath. So we put this end in first, right at 2 o'clock, and we make sure the back side is lined up underneath, and it locks in. No scratches, no marks, no one knows you've ever been inside your rear tow hook. All right, great, let's go to the other side now. Okay, now on the driver's side, so we're gonna give you the template, we're gonna show you where to drill, and you're gonna know exactly where to drill this square out in the template that we're gonna give you so that you can just pull this thing straight out. All right, so now the wires are connected, we're gonna connect the next one, and the last thing will be packaging it all back up and how to snap all the panels back in. Okay, so after you close up the side, remember this is the access panel you pulled away. We're gonna show you how to snap it back in. Okay, so here's a close-up of what's going on. Hopefully you only removed one of the grommets from the wall, so it's gonna snap right back in that hole. Everything else will line up correctly. So don't worry about the rubber seal. We'll put this in next. But you can put the top in like this, feed it down and around as you push it down. And if you have one of our cargo bay covers, you can see how it's going right into place just by tucking the carpet in. And then it'll just be a quick snap. Snap. Everything's in place, good to go. If you took this piece out, put it back in, everything snaps back in. And we'll do the same thing over here. That's it. Any questions? Call us, text us, email us. Thank you again, RPM Tesla Market Accessories.